Yashasori and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be telling you guys how I click my own pictures, some picture poses and the most important, some aesthetic Instagram filters. So yeah, if you guys are interested, so keep on watching.
Okay, so the first thing is how I click my own photos. So I generally keep my phone laying on the wall, like you can see in the video, and I just start posing, and with the help of a timer I click my photos. Now coming to the filters, so the first filter that I have used here is Tulip. I leave the link of all the filters in the description box below in case you guys are interested. You can check it from there. So as you can see, my phone is laid on the wall and I just simply pose, and here my sister was clicking the pictures for me, but generally when I don't have anyone with me, I do record myself and later on I take screenshots. And here are the results. Now coming to the next filter, this is personally my favorite filter. I love to click pictures in this particular filter. The name of the filter is Sunny Plus. I feel that this particular filter adds extra brightness to my videos and photos and a summertime hue. And here are the results. The next filter is Sunny. I won't say that it's my favorite, but sometimes it acts as a magic for my photos. Basically, it adds that blinky or sparkly effect to your photos. And here are the results. So here's another kind of tip or trick, like whatever you call it, for clicking your own photos. Always click your photo in the direction opposite to the sunlight, like you can see in the video. And then I rested my phone on the pipe, as you can see, and yeah. This filter gives a warm effect to my photos. The name of the filter is Red Rose, and yeah, it's kind of my favorite. The name of this filter is Sunny Grain, and by this time of the video, you all can make out how much obsessed I am with Sunny filters, and I personally feel that they're amazing, and you can just search Sunny and you'll get so many pretty filters. Also, if you guys love clicking pictures just like me, you can check part 1 of this video, that is aesthetic Snapchat filters. And yeah, do let me know if you want me to make part 2 of that video. So the next filter is Disguise. So I clicked my pictures with the background of sky in this particular filter and they came out so beautifully, and yeah. So coming on to the next filter, the name of the filter is Allure, and yeah, this is a kind of grainy filter, and if you click your photos with this particular filter, you do not need to edit them later on. Now coming on to another way of clicking photos, I took a break and rested my phone over it with an angle of 60 degree, and yeah, here's how I clicked some amazing photos. Also, this is the last video you are seeing in this particular background because I'm shifting my house, and yeah, I just wanted to mention it. So with the same arrangement, I click my photos in the filter called Pastel, and it adds a soothing and a calming effect to my photos, and yeah, it's really beautiful and you need to try it out. And here's how the results look like. So now coming to this filter, the name of the filter is 8mm Films. I know that's a unique name, but yeah, the photos are unique as well. It's a pretty filter. If you'll notice the filter closely, you will realize that it will give you a blue eyeliner look, and personally I am loving it. And here's how the results look like. So this is a filter for all the black and white lovers. Personally, I feel that because of high contrast in black and white filters, it draws the attention of the viewer, and that's what makes it special. Oh, okay, I forgot to mention the name of the filter. The name of the filter is B&W. And here's how the results look like. Okay, so talking about how I click those photos, so a suggestion I'll give you is that have a brick and take it wherever you want to click your photos, and it will make your work, I guess, at least 30% easier, because you can lay a phone simply over it, and yeah, it does the job. Since this filter is trending all over the internet, I had to include this in my video. So the name of this filter is Runaway Aura, and it gives beautiful photos. Like, if I say beautiful, I do mean it, and they look so pretty. And yeah,
So that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did so, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section if you want me to film Snapchat filters part 2. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Bye!